Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Eves. The story that I'm going to read to you this week is called A Fruit is a Suitcase for Seeds by Jean Richards and illustrated by Anka Harrington. I chose this story for you because the next time I see you, we will be in the garden learning about the parts of a plant and how each of these parts play an important role in the growth and development of a plant. So I hope you enjoy the story. Most plants have seeds. When you put a seed in the ground and water it, a new plant grows from it. Seeds often travel to faraway places. If seeds did not travel, too many plants would grow in one place. It would be very crowded, and seeds would have to compete for sun, water, and soil, and many of them wouldn't survive. Some seeds travel on the wind, and some seeds travel in the water. Many seeds travel in fruits, like pomegranates. The fruit is like a suitcase for the seeds. It protects them on their trip. Fruits look beautiful and taste good, so animals and people eat them, and sometimes drop the seeds in different places. There we go. Some fruits carry one big seed inside them. The seed is called a pit. Some of those fruits include plums, cherries, peaches, apricots, and avocados. A cherry is one of these fruits. Some fruits have many small seeds inside them, like lemons, melons, apples, and pears. An apple is one of these fruits. Some fruits have many tiny seeds inside them, like blueberries, bananas, kiwis. Yes, a kiwi is one of these fruits. Many berries, such as strawberries and blackberries, carry their seeds on the outside. Raspberries do too. Some vegetables we eat are really fruits. They carry seeds too. So any vegetable that has a seed on the inside that we eat is considered the fruit of a vegetable plant. Green peas, acorn squash, olives, peppers, tomatoes, butternut squash, and cucumbers. Those are all actual fruits. And peas are seeds too. And we eat the entire shell of that plant. Can you find the seeds on this ear corn? Hint, it's the part that you eat. Yep, these kernels that we eat are actual seeds, and we can actually plant them and turn them into an actual plant. I bet you didn't know that every time you eat a peach, a cherry, an avocado, a plum, a cucumber, a tomato, a grape, an apple, an orange, a pea, a pear, a melon, a banana, or a blueberry, you're really eating a suitcase for seeds. So when you come out to the garden next, we will be looking for different fruits in the garden, and I'm not talking about the fruits on our fruit trees, but other vegetables we might be growing in the garden that are actually fruits. That'll be part of our assignment. So I hope you enjoyed this story. Again, each of the plant parts plays an important role in plants growing into healthy, mature plants, and we will discuss that the next time you come to the garden. I hope you enjoyed, everyone. Thank you.